Her name is Emily, and you can see doctors amputated her right arm. Emily has leukemia, and Phoenix police are desperate to find her.
We're running out of time.
This little girl could die in days if she's not taken back to the hospital to get the catheter properly taken out of her heart. Emily was admitted to Phoenix Children's Hospital back in October. One day before her release, police say Emily's mom changed her clothes and snuck her out of the hospital at 10:30 at night. You can see them getting into a black minivan. Police say Emily's mom removed her IV, but not the catheter, and that could cause a serious infection.
They're putting this young little girl in danger.
Police say the family has ties to California and could be on their way there now. Investigators aren't exactly sure where they live. They're working with family members in the San Jose area. The family last seen driving a 1998 black Ford minivan, Arizona license plate AVY 3157. Investigators don't know why Emily's mom Norma and her dad Luis snuck her out of the hospital. It could be financial, but police aren't sure until they talk to them. Right now, investigators say their priority is to make sure Emily is safe and goes back to a doctor to get her catheter taken out.